Hi, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Chris.
I'm Kristen.
And we are Keto in the Country.
This is your channel for a smart, healthy, whole food approach to keto.
It is freezing out today, so we wanted to make some comfort food, and it turned out to be our chicken pot pie, and we'll show you how we do it. Everybody loves comfort food, and there's not much better than chicken pot pie.
Yes.
It's warm, creamy, delicious.
And you can make it however you want. It's basically anything that you want to put inside of it.
It's like our quiche. We're going to give you should have 4 cups of vegetables. It's clean out your fridge today. We use Brussels sprouts, celery, onion. We have some cauliflower in there, some parsley, and spinach. Just have 4 cups of good keto vegetables.
Yes, and cheese.
And cheese.
Yes. You can use really any cheese that you want. We chose mozzarella and Colby Jack.
Yeah, I think so.
Because it's mild.
And because it was in the fridge.
Yes, exactly. So pick your favorite cheese or whatever's in there.
And your favorite vegetables.
Yes. And I was actually researching a really fun fact that I don't think Christy knows, but there was a pie contest in California for strange pies. And I think that one of the pies was a peanut butter and pickle pie. I think it sounds so weird, but for some reason, I'm interested in things like that.
No, I'm not.
Our pie is not like that.
On the channel.
This is very mainstream compared to that, but this is going to be a delicious recipe.
So anyway, here's how you make it. Wait, let's do that again.
No, I wasn't criticizing. I was laughing just thinking about.
Wait, that didn't come out. Okay. So anyway, here's how you make our chicken pot pie.
I think it's good.
Okay.
One of the things that I love most about recipes like this is that I feel so guilty throwing away vegetables, anything in the refrigerator.
I know.
It makes me feel very guilty. And so with recipes like this, you can literally throw anything you want and it's going to be good.
It's the same as our quiche.
Yes.
We just gave you the basic amount of vegetables to throw into your quiche. I'll take that at the end of the video. But right now we're going to taste the pot pie, and I'm hungry.
I am starving. It is freezing outside, and I feel like this is just going to be the perfect little treat. I can't get it on my fork.
It is delicious. It's creamy. It's filling. It's just that perfect comfort food.
The herb proportions that Christy used are amazing. It is so important to get the right herbs in there.
Yes.
This is to die for.
Okay.
I love it. Like, it's all the right measurements. Don't stray from her herbs. So good.
But thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, if you want more recipes that are clean, healthy, smart keto food, please like, subscribe, share our recipes.
The cat was jumping up on the counter trying to get it. Thank you so much for joining us this time, or every time. And we can't wait to see you next go around.
Bye.
Bye.
Ooh, hot dog pie.
I know.
Hi, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Chris.
I'm Kristen. Yeah, it's like when I try to get to the top shelf.